Oh yeah.
How's it going? It's your main man, Crack Bricks, and today I'm gonna teach you guys how to be a Chad, or like a cool guy, kind of. I don't know, just how to be epic. So today I got with me Ellen Joy. Say hi.
The best person with all the drugs.
And Kenny.
What's up?
Ooh, why was yours so much lamer than his?
Well, I mean,
Cause he ain't got no drugs.
Yeah, I don't got no drugs on me, so it's like
You don't got no meth.
I'm kind of bored. Yeah.
What about black tar heroin? You don't got none of that. What about
He
like?
a bitch,
All the
honestly. I don't even
crocodiles
know.
done ate that shit up, bro.
You ain't even got no black
robbed by
tar heroin.
crocodiles and shit, bro.
What about
I know
opium?
Kenny's undefeated.
You know how they be getting down? They be getting all my
What about
shit.
opium? You got opium?
Nope.
Why are you talking about opium, man?
I'm curious. Anyways,
Talking about hardcore shit.
so Alan J, let me ask you,
Yeah.
how do you get all the women?
Be a dope motherfucker and sell drugs and drink alcohol.
Like, what type of alcohol are you talking about? Like Mox Hard Lemonade or?
Like,
I feel like he's a
for
Bud Light
example,
guy. He's definitely
you
a
could do
Bud
like
Light guy.
Budweiser, cognac, or Hennessy.
Yep.
And then
I
for
agree
the
with that.
drugs, you could probably do meth, heroin, or cocaine. Other than that, you a bitch. So don't use none of the other bullshit. So
Yep.
like LSD and shit like that, that's for pussies. Don't use that. Use hardcore, big deal drugs that are gonna make you stay up multiple days at a time.
And why do you need to say it multiple days at a time? Let the people in the audience
To
know.
get the bitches.
Yes.
That's where it all comes around. Oh.
Santa Monica. Yeah. How do you get all the bitches?
How do I get all the bitches? I just show them my crocodiles and shit. You know, like from Florida. You know how the Florida girls are.
He like
They
Khabib. You're
they
defeated.
love crocodile wrestling and shit, bro.
It's coming right at me. But you know, at the end of the day, it's still a wild animal, and you can never let your guard down.
So you gotta
Alligators.
grab. You got crocs and alligators. You think I got a lake in my backyard for nothing?
He got a
Hell
lake.
No.
Fucking lake, son.
He got like Lake Michigan in his back. Ooh, that's kind of cool.
Hey,
That's a big ass
come
lake,
on,
man.
come on. We're talking about Florida, not like Michigan, because Michigan ain't
Yeah, it's
like
completely
south.
different states.
Yeah,
That's
y'all
like-
northerners.
That's across the border, really. In a way.
Ain't no border, man. You just cross the state.
I don't know. I usually measure my things by borders. That's my measurements, really. So
I don't really like
That's
your
my fault.
measurements, then.
That's fair. That's fair. I do mine by cubic feet. I guess we all are different.
You're
I
right.
think so.
We all are different.
Yep.
And then Kenny, he doesn't even know how to do the measurements. He just
That's true.
keeps going.
I keep going.
He keep going.
You know, this reminds
Once
me
he
a lot
stop,
of what
he
Michael
quit.
Jackson said one time. It went a
I
little
love
something like,
Michael Jackson.
Didn't
Yeah, I
he
think
do
that-
like heroin?
Michael Jackson was not doing heroin.
so. Wait,
He
hold
was
on.
doing
About
cocaine.
cocaine.
Wait. Okay, are you guys serious? Come on. Really?
I'm dead serious.
I'm dead
Okay,
serious.
but Michael Jackson died in 2009. Like right now, we're just like kind of shitting on him, like his existence. and
Fuck
belief.
Michael Jackson.
Hey, I don't think you can say nothing.
I don't know if we should put that in the video.
I'm putting
think
this
you
in the video. I'm
Fuck.
doing it.
All right. Well, I'm still standing by my take. Fuck Michael Jackson. Bad word. Should I not
I
have said it?
guess you can explain what you do, but not like
Yeah, you
anyone
can,
really
you
cares.
can explain your
bro.
process, I guess.
Well, guys, I think the best way to get women is to be yourself. Be you.
Oh,
and
here this
that's what your
nerd
friends
ass
think.
nigga goes.
Okay, so-
Here he goes
Alright.
with the
Shut
fucking
up,
nerd.
Kenny. Let him explain how to get. Oh my god. Keep going.
Be yourself, man. Yep. Hold on.
You can't even say it.
Okay.
even say
Here you go. Whew. You know, be yourself, man. You know, don't let anybody and any new pressures change you from being you. Be be yourself, and the right woman will fall into your hands. Or you can just pretend like you are yourself by saying that you listen to 100 Gex and that you
And
play
do
Sim City.
drugs!
And do drugs.
Yeah.
I wouldn't recommend doing drugs.
You live in Florida, bro. That's like
You wrestle
y'all
cock-
thing, I thought.
You fucking wrestle crocodiles. Like, what's more dangerous? You know, give me a little bit of heroin or some crocodiles. Really?
Well, you see,
If I was to look up the statistics online, Florida would be top 5 in heroin consumption.
I don't think that's true.
I'm gonna look it up right now.
I don't think you
Top
need to do that.
drugs.
Yeah, I like, hey,
states
hey,
rating.
I don't think you gotta do that, bro. Like it was just like, you know.
Oh, it's worse than I thought. Okay, well, you guys are in the bright red. That's right, bright red. So it goes from like a salmon color to like a pinkish color to bright red. You guys are bright red.
think
So
this is
that
right.
means you guys are number 3 on the list. And opium deaths. Opioid. So that's like pills, I think, right?
Yeah.
You know what? My bad.
Okay.
My bad, bro.
Yeah.
I
So
believe
you
this
should
took a dark
definitely stop
turn.
fucking
I
talking.
think this took a
Straight up.
dark turn.
I mean, he's talking shit.
I
gotta
was
stop
talking
it.
shit. I was talking
You,
shit.
I gotta show my
He has a
facts.
valid point.
You know.
He was showing me
You're definitely
facts.
talking shit.
With that being
You're-
said, Duval County is one of the largest counties in Florida, correct?
I
So
feel
that
like
means
now
y'all be
we're
doing
just-
crack all the time out there.
Hey,
so
wait,
you
wait,
shouldn't be
wait,
disowning.
wait, bro.
You're like, oh, okay, I'll wait.
I just feel like maybe now this is getting a bit aggressive in its own fashion.
I'm
as well.
sorry. Yeah, let's calm down.
I think, you
I
should
think
calm
we just
down.
all
Let's
just
get
breathe.
back on topic,
This
if
is-
anything.
Yeah. Well, I think we learned how to get women today. I think the main important things is to do drugs,
Drugs, yep.
drink a lot of alcohol.
Alcohol.
Yep. Wrestle alligators or crocodiles, whichever
Alligator
one is
wrestling.
closer to you.
Lie. Make sure you lie.
Do a lot of lying.
Yeah, make sure you're
Don't
lying.
tell the truth ever. Lie about
Do
everything.
not tell the truth. Okay?
Make sure that when they bust you in your lies, you play it
Oh,
off
yeah.
as just like a part of your character, and so they never know when
Yeah,
you're telling
like-
the truth or lying.
Total prank, you know.
Actually, just don't get caught in the lie. Don't tell a lie. That's like you can't. Like,
And if the bitch catches you, just inject her with drugs.
Or
remember.
manipulate her into believing that maybe she is believing the wrong thing.
That's a good idea. Manipulation is key.
Also, be yourself. And that
Be
also
yourself.
means
be yourself.
be
That also
whatever they
means
want
happy.
you to
lie.
be. Be whatever
You know,
they want
get some
you to
fresh
be.
air.
Lie
drink
and
some water.
deceive them.
Sun. Vitamin D.
Get a lot of sun. Drink Sunny
Love
D.
yourself. Your heart matters. Your soul matters. Okay, everyone? Believe in yourself. Okay? You achieve and you believe and you do everything you dream of doing. No one's stopping you besides yourself. And if you stop yourself, you're selfish to your soul.